Hi there. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami ninja star. Now, the materials you will need is 2 pieces of A4 paper and some scissors. It's a very simple trick you can do and very easy to learn. Now, the first step you want to do is to create a paper square. Now, to create a paper square, what you want to do is grab your A4 paper and fold it just like this, as if you were going to make a paper airplane. Fold it across the line. Now that it's folded like this, you can see that there is a line here. What you want to do is grab your scissors and you want to carefully cut across this line that you created when you folded the paper. It should look something like this. After you cut your paper, what you want to do is unfold the paper to reveal your square. Now that you have your square, what you want to do is fold the paper in half, as such. You want to make a crease in the middle, and make sure it's a good crease by squeezing really hard. Now when you unfold the paper, you can see there is a line right in the middle of the paper. What you want to do is grab 1/2 of the paper and fold it across this line, as such. You see how we're folding it in half across here? What you want to do is flip over your paper and repeat this exact same step. Make sure that's even, because the more even your folds are, the better the final product will look. After you're done with this step, what you want to do is just fold the paper in half. So now you have this long strip piece of paper. Now what you want to do is just fold this piece of paper in half, as you can see. Once it's folded like this, grab your finger and just push on it all the way to make sure that when you squeeze it, you create a good crease. You can see. Now if you unfold it, you can see that there's a line right here. What you want to do is grab 1/2 of your paper and fold it across, going downwards as such. Pay attention, as you can see here. Now what you want to do is flip your paper over and repeat the exact same step. After you fold your paper, it should look like this so far. Now what you want to do is flip over your paper, and now you see that there's 2 squares. You have 1 square here, 1 square here. What you want to do is simply grab the corner and fold it, and grab the corner and fold it to one of the corners, creating this triangle shape. As you can see, you created this triangle shape. You want to do this step for this side. So what you want to do is grab one corner and just fold it across. Make sure you press on your creases here. Now what you want to do after you're here, what you want to do is you want to grab one triangle piece and you want to fold it across so it's even with the paper. You want to repeat this step with the other side. Now that you have this, what you want to do is with another piece of paper, repeat the exact same steps, which I have already done to save your time. Now that you have 2 identical pieces, what you want to do is you want to take one piece and you want to put it over the second piece. So you should have like this shape. What what you want to do is with one flap, close it. As I close it, as you can see, and with the second flap, close it too. So now you should have, one second, now you should have this shape. What you want to do with this flap is tuck it under this flap, creating, as you can see, what you want to do is grab this flap and tuck it underneath one of the other flaps. As you can see, you put it under this flap, and now you do the same with this flap. However, this one is much more difficult. What you want to do is you want to fold this in half. As you can see, you want to put this flap over this flap and under this flap. So what you do is you put it over, you bend the paper, and then you tuck it under this last flap. And then you want to squeeze it all the way to make it even. This is your ninja star. It's very easy to do, and it's very fun to play with. You can throw it around, throw it with your friends, but be careful not to hit other people in the eye, because this can also be dangerous if used wrong. Thank you for watching my video.